Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy S26 Ultra running One UI 8.5, and let me share with you how to use continuous photo editing. So Galaxy AI, if it comes to the photos, was updated with this new software. So let's check how it works and let me explain everything. So let's go to the gallery. And let me choose this photo, for example. This is a really nice photo. It was also generated by AI. So after choosing the photo, simply tap on this Galaxy AI icon right in the middle. So now, obviously, here we've got the eraser. We can move something, style, etc. However, all you need to do is to tap on Create. And now we can decide what we want to create, which is great. So, for example, we can describe what we want to change. Sorry, we can write it, we can say it, we can also draw it right here, or we can use the photo, another photo, to merge the projects, which I'll show you in a second. First of all, I'd like to describe what I want to change here. So I think I'd like to change the background color. Nothing really complicated. Change background to a gradient, pink and pale blue. Okay, and tap on Done. And tap on Generate, and now we have to wait until our device will finish this generation. As I said, it was really hard, so it should work. And we've got our gradient. Not the biggest fan of the pink. Obviously, we can show previous, so we can compare how it works, but I think we will just leave it. And as you can see, we can save the copy if we want to, but here we've got this option, keep editing. So the device gives us the opportunity to actually improve the photo again. So let me keep editing. And I think that it's a little bit static. So I would like to add the yarn and make the cat play with it. So I want to merge two photos. So let me tap on this picture icon. Let me choose the yarn. Okay. As you can see, our device will select the item. So just tap on Done if it is all right. And now this prompt changed a little bit. Describe how to blend images. So now we need to inform what we want to do. So let me do it. Make the cat play with a yarn. And tap on Generate, and now let's wait. We will see whether the results are satisfying, let's say. Well, I think I'm pretty satisfied with this one. Again, we can show previous, but we can still keep editing, and I really think that it is great. I will save the copy because it is cute. All right. So this is it. This is how to use continuous photo editing using AI in this device. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.